There are many wonders on Earth that science still doesn't fully grasp. Even though experts have solved a lot of mysteries, some still stump the most brilliant scientists. Certain events remain unknown to them and ignite their interest from the farthest reaches of the sky to the lowest depths of the oceans. These complicated subjects fascinate us with their complex issues and elusiveness. Does this point to a failure of science, or rather to the edge of our current understanding? Or does it suggest a need for further research and analysis? Let's find out. Hey there, welcome to our channel. In the video for today, we'll discuss the 10 super puzzling scientific mysteries that are yet to be answered and keep sparking the interest of scientists working to discover the mysteries of the cosmos. 1. Dark matter and dark energy. In contemporary astrophysics, two of the most puzzling ideas are dark matter and dark energy. Combined, they comprise about 95% of the universe, of which dark energy makes up an astounding 68% and dark matter only 27%. However, their precise nature is still unknown, testing our comprehension of the universe and refusing to be explained. Due to its inability to emit, absorb, or reflect light, dark matter can only be identified by its gravitational pull on visible matter, such as galaxy clusters and galaxies. Acts as a cosmic ghost, affecting star and galaxy motion without being seen directly. Weakly interacting massive particles, WIMPs and axions, are two examples of the several dark matter theories that scientists have put up. Nevertheless, despite intensive searches, no conclusive particle has been found. It is believed that dark energy, as opposed to dark matter, is an intrinsic feature of space that pushes galaxies away with a repulsive force. Certain ideas propose that it might have anything to do with the Einsteinian concept of the cosmological constant, but its precise nature is still a deep mystery. Our basic knowledge of physics and the universe is put to the test by these puzzles. Dark matter and dark energy are now two of the biggest mysteries in physics, yet their solutions might completely change how we understand the universe and open up new scientific fields. 2. The placebo effect. Even though the placebo effect is one of the most fascinating and well-researched medical phenomena, it is still mostly unknown. It happens when a patient gets a medication that has no therapeutic value and sees a noticeable improvement in their symptoms, like a sugar pill or saline injection. This effect emphasizes the strong link between the mind and body by showing how our expectations and beliefs can have a big impact on our physical well-being. The placebo effect has been documented by researchers concerning a variety of illnesses, including depression, pain management, Parkinson's disease, and irritable bowel syndrome. For example, even when given a placebo, individuals with chronic pain who think they are getting a strong painkiller frequently feel significant alleviation. Similar to this, people with depression may report feeling happier after taking an insoluble drug that they had assumed to be an antidepressant. It's unclear exactly which mechanisms explain the placebo effect. Research in the field of neuroscience has demonstrated that endorphins and other neurotransmitters can be released in the brain in response to a placebo, simulating the effects of real drugs. The placebo effect is still a mystery to scientists, but it is a remarkable example of the frequently underappreciated power of the human mind. 3. Consciousness. One of the deepest mysteries is still the nature of consciousness itself, or the spark that fires awareness, cognition, and self-perception. The precise process that converts brain impulses into subjective sensations is still unknown, despite significant advancements in neuroscience. David Chalmers, a philosopher, first used the term hard problem of consciousness in 1995 to raise concerns about how and why physiological processes lead to human awareness. 4. Origin of life. The origin of life on Earth is one of the most fundamental mysteries that confound scientists. Although several theories, including panspermia and abiogenesis, have been put up to explain the origins of life, a conclusive response is still complicated. Even with major advancements in our understanding of biology and chemistry, the riddle of life's origins remains mysterious to modern science due to the intricacy of even the most basic life forms. The transition from non-living chemistry to living organisms is a profound question. While theories like the primordial soup proposed by J.B.S. Haldane and Alexander Oparin in the 1920s suggest simple organic compounds formed life, the exact steps that sparked the genesis of life remain unknown. 5. The Great Attractor. One of astronomy's most fascinating and perplexing phenomena is the Great Attractor. It is enormously gravitationally drawn to our galaxy, the Milky Way, and millions of other galaxies in our part of the universe, the Laniakea supercluster. It is situated between 150 and 250 million light-years away from Earth. This gravitational anomaly forces our galaxy and its neighbors to rush towards a certain location in space at amazing rates of over 600 kilometers per second. The precise nature of the Great Attractor is still unknown after decades of study. Gaining an understanding of it could be extremely important to comprehend the forces that shape the universe and its large-scale structure. Right now, scientists are enthralled by the Great Attractor and are more piqued about the mysteries of the universe. 6. The WOW signal. A strong narrowband radio signal from the constellation Sagittarius was discovered in 1977 by an Ohio State University radio telescope. Despite multiple attempts to identify its source, this strange signal, dubbed the WOW signal because of its surprising nature, has never been discovered again. The WOW signal's origin is still a mystery that fascinates the scientific world, despite some even suggesting that it was a signal from an alien civilization. 7. Turbulence. Although the study of fluid dynamics is well established, turbulence, the chaotic, unexpected movement of fluids, defies a thorough mathematical explanation. Even though Leonardo da Vinci noted its complexity in the 15th century, scientists are still working to develop a thorough theory that can account for turbulence at all scales. 8. The Pioneer anomaly. The surprising behavior of the Pioneer 10 and 11 spacecraft, which NASA launched in the early 1970s to investigate the outer planets and the boundaries of our solar system, is referred to as the Pioneer anomaly. Following the conclusion of their main missions, these spacecraft kept going outward while transmitting data back to Earth. But as they traveled beyond space, scientists observed something strange. The spacecraft was slowing down more than it should have. Even though it was just slight, this slowdown attracted a lot of attention and was thoroughly examined. The anomaly was extensively investigated for more than 30 years, with researchers looking into a wide range of possible reasons. Some speculated that it could be caused by previously undiscovered gravitational forces or perhaps by brand new undiscovered physics. Some speculated about less spectacular reasons, like the effect of gas leakage, heat radiation from the spacecraft's power sources, or data entry problems. 9. Animal migration. Numerous animal species migrate over great distances in an organized and reliable manner. For example, every year, monarch butterflies travel thousands of kilometers to the same wintering habitats. The biological explanation of how these animals travel so accurately, often to locations they have never been before, remains a fascinating field of inquiry. 10. The Bermuda Triangle. The western region of the North Atlantic Ocean, known as the Bermuda Triangle, has long been connected to the unexplained disappearance of ships and airplanes. Many of these events can be explained by human error, mechanical malfunctions, or natural calamities. But some examples remain unsolved, which feeds into theories regarding the real purpose of the Bermuda Triangle. As one of the most persistent unresolved mysteries in modern science, the Bermuda Triangle has captured the public's attention for decades despite extensive inquiry and analysis. In conclusion, these top 10 mysteries show that there are still mysteries that defy explanation in the world, despite advances in science and technology. As we carry on delving further these secrets, the workings of the natural world, the complexity of the human mind, and the mysteries of our universe serve as a constant reminder that there is still a lot to discover and comprehend. They drive us to expand our knowledge, encourage creativity, and pique our interest. We have come to the end of today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Don't forget to enable the bell notification to avoid missing more compelling narratives. Until our next one, see you.